Hi there, welcome to 1-2-Step. In today's video, I am going to show you how to sign up for HSBC bank account. To do that, first we need to open up any web browser. In this video, I'm going to choose Google. So after opening up Google, on the URL bar, type in HSBC bank. After that, you'll see an option called Log on to online banking. Click on that, which will lead you to its official web page. After opening up the official web page, on the right hand side, you will see a register for online banking. Click on Register Now. After clicking on Register Now, it will land you on a sign up page where if you scroll down a bit, then you will see a sign called Register Now. Click on that. You reach to a registration page where you need to accept their terms and conditions. After accepting their terms and conditions, click Continue. After doing that, you will need to verify your identity through choosing a method. You can choose any one provided in the option. For now, let's choose short code and account number. After that, click Continue. Now, after choosing the verification method, you need to enter the following information. After entering the information, you need to click Continue. After that, the third step would be providing a password. You will need to provide a password for your account. And after that, your account will be created. And you have successfully signed up for HSBC bank account. So that was the process of signing up for HSBC bank account. If you find this video useful, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And do not forget to hit the subscription button and ring the notification bell so that we can provide you with our notification. And for now, thank you for watching the video.